Have you ever wondered about the power of compound interest? Saving just $20 a day can make a huge difference. If you invest that in an index fund returning 10% per year, let's see the results over time. After 10 years, your daily $20 investment will grow to approximately $120,000. After 20 years, that same $20 a day will have grown to about $430,000. After 30 years, your investment could reach around $1.2 million. After 40 years, the growth continues, and you could have $3.3 million. After 50 years, your $20 a day could turn into a staggering $8.8 million. Compound interest shows its true potential over time. The earlier you start, the more your money works for you. Small daily contributions can have a tremendous impact over the long term. It's important to stay consistent and patient. Market fluctuations may happen, but long-term investments tend to smooth out these bumps. Compound interest works like a snowball, growing bigger and bigger over time. Imagine what your $20 daily investment could become in 50 years. It's never too late to start. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. Don't underestimate the power of consistent saving and investing. Remember, time is your biggest ally in the world of compound interest. The power of compound interest is truly remarkable. Start today and let your money work for you in the long run.